was outside at the time.
Northern Grand Isle County in northwest Vermont, Franklin County in northwest Vermont until 7 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Swanton Junction, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Sheldon, Lake Carmi State Park, Enosburg Falls, Richford, Montgomery Center, Montgomery. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report to weather.gov/Burlington. Boaters off Lake Champlain should seek safe harbor now. Strong winds will cause higher waves, and sudden wind shifts may overturn boats. The severe thunderstorm